Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in if you're new. Today we're going to try to get the timing chain installed. It come in today. As you see, we got the competition cam. It's the Magnum double roller timing set. It's got the 4-degree advance and retard on it. It's supposed to be a heat treated chain. So I got this one because the free shipping from Jegs this past weekend was what, but $31 and some change is what I paid for this. So you can't beat it for the name brand, that's for sure. Competition cams have been around for a long time. Still got the timing chain cover to be installed, but we can't put that on until we get this on. Still got to put the seal in it. Probably we'll just get the timing chain installed today and try to get the pickup and the oil pump. Try to at least get those three put in today, since I got a little bit of time to work on it. So we're going to take advantage of that time. So let me get everything set up and I'll see you guys here in a sec. Alright guys, we're over here on the 302. I'm going to get the timing chain installed on this thing. Let me grab the bottom gear. Then we're going to go with the factory setting. Go ahead and slide this on there. Not all the way, just enough. I'll put a little bit of lube on this and just a little bit of oil on that too. Alright, so let's grab the timing chain. Let's see if we can't get this thing centered up here together. We're off just a little bit there. Yeah, that pretty much looks like that's it right there. May have to get us a mallet. Let me grab a mallet here real quick. Alright. Now it looks like the marks are lined up. It looks really good. So we're going to go ahead and put our bolt in. Put a little bit of oil on it. So just putting a little bit of lube on this stuff. So it's been sitting here a while. And we're also going to use some blue Loctite on the threads. Get the Loctite mixed up here a little bit. Get it on here. Got a little bit of blue Loctite on there. Just kind of dipped it in there. Get our bolt back installed. And we're going to torque this down to 45 foot-pounds. Hopefully the engine don't turn on us while we're trying to do this. There we go. One more time. There we go. 45 foot-pounds. Like I said, our marks look like they're lined up real good. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and we'll spin the motor over upside down and go ahead and start getting the oil pump bolted on and the pickup. Alright guys, we're back. We're going to put our oil pump on. We have the gasket right here laid out. Grab the shaft. Alright, I got the shaft installed on there. There we go. Okay. Got the shaft lined up, it's in the hole down there. Alright guys, don't forget to add you some blue Loctite to your threads. Tight. That one's tight, 35 foot-pounds. Alright, so I have the gasket, pickup, and the nut. So I'm just going to sit this on there for just a second while I get the bolts. Put the nut on there. We're going to put just a little bit of blue Loctite also in the bolts, so we know they'll stay in. Gasket. Watch it fall. So, bolt installed. Got the gasket installed. Got some blue Loctite on it. Put a little bit of blue Loctite on this one also. Get our gasket lined up here. Grab my little screwdriver. Get it lined up. Bolt installed. Now these bolts get installed at 20 foot-pounds. The nut at 35. And I told you I was going to knock it off, and I did, didn't I? Let's see. If I can get this up in here. There we go. Get this thing torqued down, and then we'll torque down the nut. Set 20 foot-pounds. There we go, 20 foot-pounds. Alright guys, now we're going to torque the nut down to 35. And there we go. Our oil pump, our pickup is installed, our shaft is installed, and the timing chain. So the next video we'll be putting on a timing chain cover and the water pump. I still need to get the bolts cleaned up, get them wire brushed, you know, all that good stuff. You guys don't care about that. But until then guys, keep an eye out for the next video when we'll be getting those two pieces right there installed, and hopefully go ahead and get the oil pan installed too, so that all them little pieces right there be buttoned up, and then we can continue on. So until then guys, thanks for watching.